سلام. Hi everyone. Welcome to my kitchen and my YouTube channel. حالتون چطوره؟ It means how are you in Farsi. Today we have a beloved and interesting Iranian recipe, scrambled eggs with onions. In Iranian cooking, eggs are not just for breakfast, and actually there are many versatile dishes that are made with eggs in Iranian cooking. Scrambled eggs with onion is very popular in all over the Iran, and it's not just any scrambled eggs recipe. It's a taste of Persian home cooking, and I would like to try it today with you. Okay, let's get started. For this sophisticated Persian dish, all we need are eggs and onions. Don't judge me, it's delicious, I promise. Okay, first grab your onion and chop off its stem and root ends. It's for its own good, I swear. Then gently or aggressively, depending on your mood, remove its papery overcoat. Just like this. Perfect. Now for the part that even I sometimes mess up, cut the onion in half lengthwise. Easy enough, right? Then carefully, and I mean carefully, slice each half radially. Let's get cooking. Turn on the heat to medium and add a generous amount of oil and a pat of butter to a large frying pan. Once melted, toss in sliced onions along with a pinch of salt to help them sweat. And yes, my cute supervisor Babri is making sure I don't mess this up. Right, Babri? Use a wooden spoon and stir the onions. Fry the onions for about 10 minutes until they get smaller and begin to brown. Stir occasionally to make sure they cook evenly. These caramelized onions add such a rich sweetness to our dish that I simply cannot get enough of them. Okay, our onions are done. Now set them aside to cool down. Okay, let's crack open the eggs into a bowl. I'm using 5 large eggs, and hopefully I won't end up with egg on my face. Now it's time to bring it all together. Add salt and pepper, then whisk until the eggs perfectly combined. It's like they're saying, hey, we're all in this together. The result should be that beautiful even yellow color with no sneaky translucent spots. Now add the beaten eggs to the fried onions and gently stir to combine. Cover the pan with a lid and let the eggs cook until they are set and fluffy. Then use a wooden spoon to break them into small pieces. Serve these delicious scrambled eggs with your choice of bread, flat naan bread or any other type you prefer. Okay, are you ready? I hope you liked this recipe. If you did, you know what to do. Press the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. Take care, God bless, and lots of love.